In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable preloading pages or preloading of pages on your Chromebook web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your browser and select the menu icon up at the top right. Go down and select Settings. On the left panel, select Performance. And then on the right side underneath Speed, you can select where it says Extended Preloading, and then you can basically read a little bit more about it, but this is the top option here. And again, you want to make sure it's toggled to the right to enable it, and then either standard or extended. So you can basically have more pages preloaded, but it may have more information served or saved online or that's being requested. So just keep that in mind. Look into this if you want to learn more. You can click on this link, and that's pretty much it. So, as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.